Iceman! Hey, what's up, guys? It's Iceman in the house. I'm gonna show you my shape-shifting powers. Let's do it in spa, relaxing style. Okay, guys, here we are in the sauna. It's super hot and stuff. So, let's just gonna wait, and then you'll see my shape-shifting powers.
A few moments later.
Check it out, you guys. Now I'm water. Did you see that? I just shapeshift from ice to water. That's so cool. Now I'm going to show you more of my shapeshifting powers. Okay, guys, here we are in the desert. It's super hot, as you can see from the sun up there. It's really hot. Okay, just wait a second, and I'll show you my shapeshifting powers.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, you guys, I did it again. Check it out. It's my shape-shifting powers. I went from solid to liquid, and now I'm in gas. And wait. Whoa, I'm falling. Help me, fly away. Guys, can somebody help me? I landed here, and now I'm just water droplets on this mirror, so somebody help me, please.
Hello, I am the scientist. I'm going to be explaining to you Iceman's powers. So first of all, when he was in ice, the matter inside of him was like this. It was very closely packed together, and the energy levels inside of him were very low. Then Iceman is going to change into liquid, which I will explain later. It is called the melting point, or melting. The melting point is the temperature at which ice can change back into water, or liquid can change into solid. Melting is just the process of solid turning into liquid. Now I will show you how the Iceman became from a solid into a liquid. Well, basically what happened was, inside of the spa, in the sauna, it was very hot. There was lots of heat in there. So basically what happened was, the heat was the energy that was added to Iceman, therefore separating the molecules inside of him, creating more intermolecular space. The energy levels in the liquid are at the medium height, as water can move around because it has a definite mass but an indefinite volume, because the amount of matter inside of it is the mass, and that will always stay the same, but the amount of space that it takes, which is the volume, will always change. Because if you put it in one glass that is smaller than another glass, it will be more in the smaller glass but less in the larger glass. Then liquid can change back into solid. That is called the freezing point, the temperature where it can change back into a solid. Next, when more heat was added to Iceman, when he turned into the gas from the liquid, the matter inside of him began moving around from the energy that has been added, creating more intermolecular space. The reason that he flew away was because heat rises up and heat was added to him, so therefore the heat became a part of him, so he was hot water that was evaporating in the air. Then Iceman changed from liquid into gas. That is called evaporation, or boiling point. Boiling point is the temperature at which liquid turns into gas. And vaporization is just the phase that it goes through to change from liquid into solid. Now, then Iceman landed on the mirror. What happened was, the temperature of the mirror, or the surface temperature, was different to the temperature of Iceman, as he was very hot because he was gas. So, therefore, as he is just very hot water that is flying through the air. When he landed on the mirror, which was a lot colder than the temperature of Iceman, he cooled down and turned into little water droplets. This is called condensation. The end? Question mark.